Hello, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to install the Smart Online Order app. So it's very straightforward, but there's a few details that I want to share with you. The first thing you want to do is log into your Clover dashboard. It's better to do it from your laptop or computer. You can also do it from the Clover device, the physical device, but it's better to do it from your laptop. Once you log into your Clover dashboard, make sure you choose the correct location. Some merchants have multiple locations, some may have one. If you have more than one, choose the correct location. Um, in case you don't know how many locations you have, or you may have a duplicate location, make sure you choose the correct location. So here's a drop down, click on it and choose the right location. Okay, and then from there go to more tools. So as you can see here on the bottom of my screen here on the left hand side, it says more tools. Go to more tools, and then what you want to do is press the button, and then from here search for Smart Online Order. I've already searched for it. It's right here, right here, Smart Online Order. Okay, once you do that, click on it one time and you'll see something called Connect. Okay, so here's the app itself. It shows you the video, it shows you information on it, how it works, all the details, the reviews and everything. What you want to do from here, press the Connect button. Okay, Connect right here. Once you press Connect one more time. Okay, once you press Connect, you're going to have to open the app. The reason being is because it's going to ask you some questions, because it needs to know, do you have a website, do you not have a website, some important information that we need for you to start accepting online orders. So press open the app. When you press open the app, you'll see a new screen pop up. This is very normal. It may take up to 10-15 seconds to load the screen here. Just be patient while it loads, because it's trying to read your merchant ID to connect your inventory with the online ordering page, so the two connect together. Okay, and then if it asks you for multiple locations, it's pretty straightforward. Just choose the right location there. Sorry, I'm going to do VCC here, and then just click on it right here. In most cases, it will not ask you that, but because I have multiple locations, it's asking me to choose a location. Okay, once you do that, you'll notice these questions here. Okay, I'm going to go over these questions for you so you understand what that means, because some merchants and some sales agents may get confused on how to answer this. Okay, basically it's asking you, do you have a website already that's WordPress, and all you need to do is get the API key. And what that means is the API key is what you use to insert or paste into your plugin. In this case, let me see if I can remove the effects here, because it's kind of, I can't see. Actually, that makes it bigger. Okay, maybe there's a setting, but it has a blue background, so because you can't see my hand. Oh, actually, you can't see my hand. So anyhow, let me go back to this message here. Option 1. Get the Smart Online Order API key. Okay, click this, you get the API key, and most of the time your developer is the person that needs this. So give this to your web developer, and your web developer will copy and paste it into the WordPress website. Okay, the WordPress website they built. If you don't have a website, if you don't have WordPress, then you want to do is choose this one here. Okay, right? This option right here. Choose this option, and it will create for your order online page. So you have your own order online page. So what's different between a website and an order online page? A website is like mikescookieshop.com. An online order page is mikescookieshop.smartonlineorder.com, right? So the main difference is one is a basic website, and the other one is just the order online page. So if you don't have one, choose this. Let's say you don't know what you're not sure what's going on. You kind of don't know if you have a website or not. Just start with this for now, and then as the days go by, you start getting orders, then we can make you a website. Okay, and we can help you with that. But just kind of start somewhere. So if you get confused, give us a call. All right, we're here to help you out. We can assist you with any questions you may have. But choose this option. Okay. So now it's going to ask you for your domain name, right? So you may think, wait, I don't have a website. Why is it asking for my domain name? This is pretty much to get your online order page going. So what I would do if I were you is, like I mentioned, if your business name is Mike's Cookie Shop, just type in Mike's Cookie, sorry, not Mike's Cookie Shop. Okay, and it's saying this is available. There's no spaces needed. It's just like that, and it works. Put your first name, last name, business name, mobile phone number, email. Remember, the password you create is for your order online page, and then choose what kind of business you are. Remember, keep in mind that you want to do restaurant. This may not work for retail. If you have a retail store, call us first to double check, because this is intended for restaurants. So if you're restaurant, food and beverage, it'll work for you very well. If you're retail, call us first, because retail is very tricky. Retail, they have shipping. We have to send the product over different states, and you need FedEx labels and all that. So it's a little bit tricky. But if you're these two options, then this will work for you. If you are this, give us a call, because we have another plugin that works with retail, which connects to the same app. Okay? And then make sure you upload your logo. If you don't have it, you can skip it for now, but it's good to do it now. Okay? And then header image, like at the top of your order online page, you want to see a picture of a nice food to get people to order. Remember, people, when you have images of food, people tend to order more. So make sure to do both of these. If you don't have any of this, just at least fill all this data. These are all required. Anything in red is required. Okay, and then press submit, and then it's gonna create the order online page for you. It takes about maybe 30-60 seconds, about that long. Once it creates it for you, then you want to create an onboarding with us, or you can watch more of my videos on how to do the next step. There's tons of videos on YouTube on how to use Smart Online Order, how it works, how the backend works. Once you learn it, it gets very easy afterwards. And then once you start getting orders, you start doing well, you can start. Then you can give us a call and get the iPhone Android app. We also offer that too. You know how Chipotle, McDonald's, these big restaurants have their own iPhone Android app? We also have that too. So we can build that for you as well, as you when you are ready for it. You can actually start that right now if you wish to, or you can wait a few days, a few weeks, and then get that later. Okay, and that's how you do your Smart Online Order page. Let's just go back one. Let's just say you need a website built. So this is going to take you to the Build Me a Website form. So this is very similar to the other one, but this is going to ask you a lot more questions, because this is not just an order online page. This is a website. It's going to ask you, how many page website do you want? What do you want it to say on your home page? Right? It's going to ask you some more details. So just be prepared for this one. It'll take you about 5 to 10 minutes to fill out, because for us to build your website, we need information, right? We need to know what's the business name, what's the business phone number. Because remember, before we asked you for your mobile number, now we're going to ask you for your business phone number, because the website, you don't want to put your mobile phone number on your website. You want to put your business phone number. We need your business email, business address. I mean, if you have your personal and business, you're using both right now, you can include that in here. And then it's saying, are you a sales agent? So if you are, put your sales agent name here, and then go to the next page and kind of fill it out, right? There's a few questions. It's not that hard. If you get stuck, give us a call. But once you do this, this is for a website, okay? Keep in mind, this one's for a website, okay? So let's go ahead and go back to the original again. And then let me show you the other option. Okay, so now that we have covered that basis, once you do those steps, the most important thing to do next, which many people overlook, is your business hours. It's very important that you do your business hours, because I've seen so many merchants that do set everything up, but they forget to add their business hours. Why is that important? Okay, the reason why that's important is because if you don't have your business hours set up, people can't order, right? So you want to come here under account and set up, and then look for business information right here under about your business. Choose this button here, and then go here and then go to business hours right here, hours of operation, and then add your hours. So this hours is when you will take your online orders. Okay, so if you're open from 6 to 11 on a Monday, put 6 to 11. If you are closed on Sundays, then make sure to put closed on Sundays. So okay, so it's very important that you put your correct time zone and put your correct hours. So like I said, if you're closed on Sundays, just tell the system that you are closed, because it won't know. Now, what does this mean if I put closed Sundays? That means that your online ordering will work every single day except for Sundays. It'll work every single day between these hours except for Sunday, okay? But here's the other thing you want to know. Let's say you've been using it for a few months, all of a sudden there's a holiday around the corner, such as Labor Day, Memorial Day, and you are closed and it lands on a certain day. You want to come here and put closed for that specific day. Usually Labor Day lands on a Monday, so if that day does come around in September, you want to put closed on that day. Let's just say it's Halloween or any holiday that you are closed, you want to come here and put closed for that day. So just keep in mind that to find this, you go to account and setup and you do that. And then you have your other information you do. I don't want to go too much into it. I want to keep the video short to get started. And then as you learn this process, make sure to watch my other videos on other additional details on how to set up your menu, your images, descriptions, and a lot of other stuff. And then we have push notifications, a lot that I can cover, but I want to keep the video short just to kind of help you guys get started. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.